But yeah, we're gonna be checking out all the Chainsaw Man openings and endings for the first time. I've heard a couple of these songs before. I think I've listened to Iris Out before and all that stuff. But we're gonna be checking out these endings and openings. This is what I'm super excited for. Let's check out Kickback. Okay. Did Mappa Studios animate this? Bro, looking at this reminds me of a very old school anime vibes. I don't know why. Angel? Ooh! We got Kenshi up in here? Do you see this fella in the background? He's like a shark. Oos? Oh, power? Well, let Kenshi talk to us real quick. What are those flowers? His dream girl? Okay, wait. I can, cause I see the height. I remember this, low-key. Bro, look at this, all the action, like, oh my goodness, this art style and everything. Okay. Golden ball with him on top of it. Hey. Wait, what the freak was that guy? That guy's like me. Wait. Okay. Kickback by Kenshi. Now, this is the first opening, but I know. I think there's only 2 openings. It's the one with the movie and with Chainsaw Man. And, like, god damn, it's really been that long. I realized it's been, what, 5 years since Chainsaw Man came out? So, seeing the movie finally coming out, I expect it to be, like, of course, animation from Mappa Studios with this much time is going to be beautiful. But, like, seeing just the vibes in this entire opening is just so cool. Like, this is, like, when did this come out? Yeah, basically, like, 2 years ago, what, 2023? And, of course, Pyro and Denji being the goofballs they are, and Aki, this summoning Khan, like, oh my goodness. Bro, Kickback, dude, this is one of the best openings I've ever heard. This, like, song-wise, the art style-wise, it's so beautiful. Like, the chorus, too, like, that drop hits. It's so like catchy. It sounds like it's going down a scale, low key. I don't know for me, but yeah, I love Kickback. Like, god damn, art style, everything. Like, I'm super excited to see like the common days songs or like what the endings are. Because if it's anything like this, it'll be insane. But yeah, let's get into the next one. So this is the opening from the movie Iris Out. And it's sung by Kenshi too. Again, okay. So I wonder if it's Kenshi's gonna be exclusive for all the Chainsaw Man openings. You know what I mean? For some animes, they do that exclusively, just make music for that opening. Oh, you can already tell the animations are so much more vibey. Jumpy background. We got some clownery going on in the background in the music. Oos. Reze? So I'm guessing in the movie is this girl? Is a love triangle this movie? Oh, let's hear this drop. What? Oh wait, what? Wait, that gotta match with the freaking music video there. What? Okay, we're seeing peak Chainsaw Man action fighting right now. It says boom right there. Is this like a bomb devil or something? Angel. Daddy. Shark. Oh my goodness, what is this? Dude, we're getting spoilers for the movies, but goddamn, what is this? Yo, the feet, hey, yo, he's skinny dipping? We skinny dipping? Yeah, we skinny dipping. Hey yo, love triangle. Oh yeah, this is definitely a love triangle movie. Firework. Dude, this is so interesting. Like I'm listening to the background music and everything. Like it is. There's so much like integrated sound effects and sound bites coming together. That's sound. It's so unique. Like you know, you hear that? And it's matching, and the piano going crazy, going down the scales. Ooh, that goes back to the chorus again. Boom. Okay, I actually like that. I actually like that they show whatever this bomb devil thing is, and she got a finger gun. So I think we already know what's gonna movie. There's a love triangle, and he's fighting a bomb devil. Random shark. Oos? Yo, it looks like they're all going all out against her. Or against this bomb. Yeah, it looks like a girl. Iris out. Hey, wait, Kenshi. This man cooked 2 times in a row. I'll be honest, dude. Kick back. Like, bro, this. I don't know why I liked it. It has this like this one has like it's of course it's completely different because you go with the typical band, the guitar and all this stuff. But this has like so much unique sounds in the background and increments that it's a very very interesting and distincts itself. And I actually really like the chorus. Because it goes from all these like all these unique like instruments, all these sound effects into like straight into the chorus. Goes back into the big band style, like dun 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 dun. You can hear it. The rest of the band comes in, and it's pretty unique. You could probably hear it in the background too, but there's like the distinct sound of like the craziness going on. You could hear it very slightly. They're still going on with the weird antics. I also love the piano in this opening too. It's like kind of a funk in the background for the beat too. I don't know if that's me over analyzing it, but yeah, Iris Out by Kenshi Yonezuo, dude. I'm super excited to see this next week and watch the live reaction. So, fellas, make sure you guys tune in for that. But we're gonna be checking out the endings now, and I heard there's a lot of different endings for Chainsawman. They have like what? They had to do ending every episode, and I totally forgot any of those songs or how they look like. So yeah, we're gonna be checking that out too. Let's get right into it. Vonde? Oh, this is our first ending by Vonde? Wait. Okay, how many prominent bands can we name that did a Chainsaw Man ending that probably deserve to be openings, or that bands have done openings? Vonde's one. Oh, I love the band's the singer's voice in the Vonde band. Unless it's himself, like dude, I love them. But you can tell it's a very unique style he sings. Yeah, very unique. You can tell. I really love his high notes. Ooh. None. Okay. So I love how in the background you could hear it, but it's just they set it up from the beginning. It sounds like a chainsaw, particularly this the dun 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 dun. It just sounds like a chainsaw that keeps running, and that's I really appreciate. And of course, Vonde with its beautiful vocals. Pochita. Dude, to have Vonde as your first ending. Gas. Vonde, Bro, they're always a good band. I always fuck with their vocals and like especially when they go to those higher octaves, dude. I always fuck with them. But yeah, I like that opening. Like I said, very unique. Opening two? What band did this? Some old school style? Dude, that guitar's going crazy right now. I love the art style. Bro, this person sounds familiar too. This person sounds very familiar. Kind of more vibey. Really more vibey. But let's hear the drop. Okay, here we go. Look at Makima. Dominoes falling? Oh, I've heard this singer before. Wait, guaranteed it's either I heard this song or this singer before because this sounds very unique. Like, or really familiar, not unique. It kind of does sound unique too because this how the chorus came off, dude, I did so. I would love to know who's sang the second opening. Ooh, okay, higher octave. I like the art style in the background, like this cartoonish stuff, but like still like 3D drawing their characters. It's like a picture book. Ooh, third open ending. Bro, it's crazy how the two vibes, just the vibe of this ending is something else because the first two is like, oh, well, we're chill now, you know what I mean? Oh, we're here to vibe, we're making friends. Then it goes, babe-o, ba-ba-ba-ba, babe-o. Like, oh, hell no. Well, I like this art style. The colors are so unique. Or matches it. The color scheme? What the fuck? What is this? Am I on an acid trip? Makima Angel? What was that? Oh, I love how she's shown as Denji's savior. Okay. Wait a minute. What is going on with this art? What is going on in this ending? What? Okay, let's talk about that one. What in the actual fuck was that? It starts off with heavy rock, like "Damo Papa," the typical stuff. Then it goes on to, like, it goes crazy, like epic build up. Then crazy rocks out where we're just like listening to all these kinds of instruments slamming against each other. Then it hops into a lighter, building up the little crescendo thing into a really good chorus, which I really like. And I think the song that this reminds me of is Gachi Akuta's opening one. I don't know the band who exactly did this because I can't read Japanese, but like this is very unique style, really, really, really unique style that this band showed out throughout this ending. That they could do multiple styles of music, this hardcore rock into a little lighter tone, and boom into that beautiful chorus. Like, bro, what? Like, it just show. I'm gonna be honest. This ending right here might just show like what Chainsawman really is. You know what I mean? There's the chaotic, then of course the peaceful, then of course the the high up parts. Then it goes back down to this. It goes back to the Dame, oh, blah 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 Dame. It's kind of like representing like what these fellas have to deal with on a daily basis as their job. You know what I mean? Like, am I crazy for thinking that? But I love this part, the chorus part. Just the enjoy part of it, of the job. Woo! I thought it was a girl singing that, but no, that guy hit that. And of course, grinding up for the next day. Hey, that ending was great. I do not know what band did that, but goddamn, that was really unique and great. One of my favorites. A power ending? Oh, she's freaking out on my screen. A little mosquito in my freaking ear, background, you know, track. But we were dealing with it. I haven't heard of this band. Bocchi the Rock? Vibey. I like this one. More tame than calm. Gintama. I'm here to drop. What the fuck? Is this what's going through Power's mind right now? Okay. Dude, she's popping off? I don't know why, but this is a crazy picture to pause on. But this right here is reminding me of my friend that I know personally. Like, this is the vibe she gives me. The crazy, like, goofy shit. Okay, we going back, reversing it. Hey, I like that one. You know, more calm this time, but like the bass, the drop still hits. The drop really hits. This is honestly one of my favorite parts. Why is Makima not saying anything? She's just smiling there, looking. One of my favorite choruses are going. It's just pushing it. I love it. Then of course Power, you know, I mean Power's probably a character favorite, and of course seeing her all with these other outfits, like this has to be a Power episode. Very unique. Very unique and one of the best endings. I actually fuck with. What in the world is going on? Oh hell no! Very unique art style and an endless loop. Wait, this band must have done the opening. This one, I'm gonna take a guess. What is going on? Ooh! Okay! Oh my god, this art style is beautiful. Ooh! Bro, yeah, this band sounds so familiar. Oh my goodness, or am I mistaking them for another band? Or another opening? Bunch of trash falling out? Ooh, there's more. Oh, what's going on in the background? It's tweaking out. Oh my goodness, what is going on? Okay. Okay. So, like, did every MAPPA... So, like, I know about MAPPA and overworking their animators and all those things. But, like, did MAPPA Studio create every new ending just for... created every ending just for a band? You know what I mean? Because, like, goddamn, that was pretty good. This is ending 6 right here, but... ending 5, not my favorite. Unique, not my favorite. Sukuna's Finger? Video game style. I fuck with this. I like in the background too how the music matches with the art style. I fuck with this a lot. Woo! I can't tell if this is a guy's voice or a girl's voice. I'm leaning towards a guy's voice singing a really high octave. Never mind, it's a girl. But I can't tell. Because I'm gonna be honest, it sounds like I don't know if I'm talking yapping too much on this topic, but it sounds like a guy's voice with like increased audio, not audio, higher pitch audio, like a bunch of like technical production stuff work behind it. But it's the her tone after like duh, like it sounds so girl, sounds like a girl. This is more chilled, laid back too. I fuck with it. Hey, I'm gonna say it's pretty vibey. Video gives me old school video game style, and like I'm trying to defeat a level or something. Are these all the manga panels they're showing? In like books? That'd be pretty sick if they're doing that. I like this style ending. Okay, we're gonna hit the old 1990s. I can't stop this loneliness. Girl in underwear. Okay. I mess with this a lot. Very unique. Okay, art styles. I don't know what's on my screen. Some Akuma fan service. Oh yeah, we getting that fan service for sure. Yep. Might as well show me in a bikini. What the fuck am I looking at? Is she... What is she putting in his mouth? Am I on an acid trip? Okay then. I felt like I was on an acid trip and that music was moving me along this acid trip. This guy looks physical, seeing, work buddies and everything like that. This is what we need. Now we're back to the hard rock I like. Oh, the rock. Okay. Let's go. Dude, I always love a good guitar. I'm gonna take a guess. Unravel Band. This has to be from the Unravel Band, or the people who sang freaking the first opening from Tokyo Ghoul. I think it's Unravel. That's the song name. I forgot the band name. Look at those cars. Yeah, it has to be. Yep. I haven't heard any other works besides this. Okay, why the fuck did they make Makima look creepy as fuck? Chicken. Okay. We know they could go higher. Dude, that's an epic shot right there about the graves. Go back to the guitar solo. I need more of that. I actually fucked with this song a lot. But hey, that's 2 out of, 8 people? I guarantee the other first 2 were probably a bunch of other bands that done openings before. But hey, that was great. I like this one a lot. That is 4. That's 3 bands so far we know. Eimer. Deep down. We know she can pop off. So, let's listen. goodness, so beautiful. The art style, like what I'm seeing in the background, chef's kiss. Like what? Is that intestines? Intestines? Come on, Eimer, hit us with it. Hit us with it. We know how great you are. It's building up too. I'm gonna be honest. Wait, let me finish the whole song. Beep. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna let it finish. Honestly, for Eimer and listening to a lot of her music beforehand and knowing all that stuff, like we know she's capable of those like. Wait, what's wrong with my nose? Sorry. We know she's capable of those, most impactful music parts like Brave Shine, like all those types of stuff. But like, yeah, this has her essence, and honestly, the way I felt from listening to this, it's like, it's kind of funny because the song's called Deep Down. It's like someone trying to express like how they really feel, like what's going on and all those things. And this ending actually really conveyed how this song is. Maybe this ending happened during a good episode, maybe someone's death, I don't know, but really, really great ending, and I actually really fucked with it. So yeah, I love Eimer. People want Dogland. We've been seeing Denji on a leash a bunch of times. Very unique art style. One thing I don't like, that freaking muddy sound behind the main guy who's rapping. You could hear it. It sounds. I guess it sounds unique, but it sounds so weird. Like it's like it's like putting down really in low octave of a robot. Or that could just be the bass. I love the singer though. He's popping. Okay, never mind. They changed the entire style. Ooh. Okay. They really changed. Oh my goodness. Building up. Let's go. So I really like that this opening is showing Denji running too, because that's how I feel like when I'm listening to the song. Like it's someone's cry out for help. The first half, the build up, it was kind of sounded weird, but when it gets to the chorus of where the singer's like showing his chops and doing all that stuff, beautiful work. And like I said, I really like that that ending kind of fulfills what I saw on screen. You know what I mean? I felt like this is someone's cry for help, or someone's like, revolution to get past whatever they're going through and dealing with it. So I really like that ending. Dog won people, or people won Dogland. Really good, really good. Opening 11? Oh, okay, this art style's different now. Okay. They're using modern animation. Ooh. This band sounds familiar too. Oral cigarettes vibes. Ooh. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. I need to hear the drop for this. They're building it up. I fuck with this. I like this a lot. Ooh. Dude, okay. I'll be honest, this is the best animated ending I've seen ever so far from the Chainsaw Man. Like, I like the unique art styles and animation from the other ones, but this, like, this is very modern. I like it a lot. The band sounds so familiar too. I can't figure out who it is. Whoosh. I've listened to the song. Of course, it's by Eve, of course. I know this song. Wait, it's in my playlist. This is one of my favorite songs. Is there a Chainsaw Man? Okay, now we go back to the normal anime. See, like, you know what I mean? How all the openings have, like, their very unique distinguish. But, like, here, we go back to how, like, back to the regular anime animation. You know what I mean? Or anime visuals. And it's more uplifting. Oh my god, I love this band. I love this song. Eve really did this? I was waiting for an Eve song in Chainsaw Man. I never seen the full-on animation for this or the music video. I want to listen to the song. Dude, this is vibes. I hear the chorus part and see the animation. I'll be honest, for like this song, what I thought it would be, it's like an anime opening, but like I thought it'd be some epic shit going on, but no, they're just vibing at home, being homies. I like this a lot, and I listen to the song basically every day when I'm playing games. Bro, I need the next Eve song. It needs to either be in JJK or in one of these new upcoming animes. Bro, I did not expect to see, for like, you know what I mean, this song to be in Chainsaw Man, and I thought it'd be way more different than animation, but it's literally, like I said, just them chilling out, being a family, and this is very unique. I'm surprised that they really did this. I feel like this song could have been implemented in like a different visualized, but I guess they chose to end it off with that. But yeah, wow, not to be biased, but I think, 6 bands so far, or I think 6 mainstream bands have performed an ending for Chainsaw Man. Of course, they got Kenshi with the opening and all, or Chainsaw Man ending and all that stuff. So really great. Let's check out the next one. So this is the newest ending, the ending of the movie. It looks like you got Kenshi again, Jane Doe. Lo-fi piano. Ooh. Aww. Wait, that's so romantic. I love this a lot. I like this ending a lot. So calm. Wow. Wow. Okay. This I'm gonna say right there. That is when it went to that drop, perfection, beauty, like wow. Okay, Kenshi, it's a ballad. Am I wrong? Oh, the piano, bro. That's so. Mm. It's like they're both singing to each other, and it's unique because we're seeing two characters on the string, on the on the screen, hanging out. Love story song. Tragic, tragedy is what I'm feeling. Here it comes. Wow, that is a beautiful scene. I get spoiled to get kissed, but that is a beautiful scene. I'm not paying attention to the visuals. I'm closing my eyes. Now, what the fuck's gonna happen in this movie, bro? Oos. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. Oh my god, you hear Kenshi in the background, bro? Damn. Damn. Wow. I just let the music play itself. And honestly, that was probably really, really beautiful. One would say probably that was just beautiful. Like the chorus for the or the beat drop or the drop where it's just the chorus came out from Hikaru Utada. Yeah, I'm guessing who's the singing the girl part for this. This reminds me of that the like reminds me of the big just grand opening and everything for this. But like I felt like if I'm correct me if I'm wrong, you know what I mean? I could just be guessing and all that stuff, but it's a ballad. So reminds me love story, you know what I mean? Tragedy is what I felt through all that stuff, especially at the end, dude. That stuff is like when they have to leave each other, not like you know what I mean. I saw like where they left each other and they went their opposite paths. Like, bro, that is way too beautiful and beautiful, beautiful song. Great ending to choose for, or for a recent one. You know what I mean? And I can only imagine what the movie's gonna hold if we're getting like this type of music, this ending, because it's so beautiful. Love ballad and all that stuff. And one of my favorite parts is like when she's singing her chops off, you could hear Kenshi going in the background to sing, like you could feel the pain and all that stuff. I don't know if I'm yapping, but and you can hear him you can hear him very distinctly in the background, which I really really like. And of course, this dun, 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 brings it back. Wow, really, really great ending. And yeah, man, that's it for our Chainsaw Man. And yeah, folks, and that is it for our Chainsaw Man opening and ending reaction. Now, let me know how you guys feel about me busting out the season one reaction before the movie comes out. I don't think it's possible, but let me know how that is. But I'm super excited to check out the movie, and this is just to hype it up. I'm excited to hear these songs in the movie and many more. And yeah, just go and checking out back to the old endings and of course Kickback, of course, one of the best songs of all time, or in the coming age is this beautiful, and those endings beautiful. But yeah, I'm gonna be honest. If you to pick a favorite song from this entire album, I gotta say Jane Doe. Like that itself, I love these type of songs. You know, ballad, all the emotional music. You can tell I love. One thing I like about anime openings is that they put their emotion through it, and you can feel their emotion because we don't know what they're saying, but so they have to try convey it through their emotions, and this is what I felt. This pure cinema, and yeah, thank you guys so much for checking it out. Leave a like, subscribe, comment down below if you guys want more reactions like this for openings and endings, and stay tuned to my reaction to the Chainsaw movies. Check out my Patreon for uncut reactions and many more. Thank you guys so much. I'll see you guys later. Peace out.